I am Mildred Tauro, principal of BS School. I'm here from past 4 years. I was teaching my students. Maybe the complex topics for them made it simple, due to which students are able to learn and they score the marks. Our intention is not to only to get the number at the end. As sir already said, that is holistic development of a student. Holistic education we will be providing here, especially our chairman sir, the founder of the school. His intention, Dr. G. Hyderwali sir, his intention is to make students to grow in a 360-degree development. If I say about sir, sir is an advocate. He has started his career in the High Court of Karnataka. Later, his interest towards education field turned, though he is a great entrepreneur. He is a beacon of inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs. But still, along with this business or entrepreneurship, he has started education field. He has visited all about 40 and above countries and gained the knowledge. He imbibed good education knowledge, and that is what he inculcated here with our students. Initiated in 2013 in Jayanagar, one branch. Later he has started here in Bingipura Electronic City, Bangalore. And I'm very proud to be here as a principal and to work with my students as they are getting this facility. Along with the education, the entrepreneurship, sir is giving crores, maybe 1 crore amount for the students. Partnership with BS management along with the students. Learn and earn methodology is being cultivated here, and that is what in future sir is assured our students that facility will be provided for our students. That's all for today. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೆರೆದಿರೋದು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಹೆಸರು Adventure My Learning Expo. Here what we mainly concentrated on is to explore and experiment what my children can show to the world. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನೇನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ವಿಶೇಷತೆ. ಅದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲು, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಮಾತು. This year we've integrated sports along with our education, especially when it comes to PU and CBSE +1 +2. ಈ CBSE +1 +2 ಮತ್ತು PU ಅಲ್ಲಿ though we are aligned with great escorts for us, we've also integrated something called SSG KSET. What is SSG KSET? Sports, games is integrated with science along with KSET coaching. ಈ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. So I'm proud to be working here as a PU principal, and I would encourage everybody to join us in this great exposure. Now, talking about today's program, what we initiated today was an expo. It is an expo for the children, by the children, and of the children. I'm really happy for the gathering today. The parents have made their way all the way from their homes to attend this program and see the child's success, which in turn is our school's success. I would appreciate the efforts of everybody who has been the keen resource for this program, and thank you one and all for being here.
Adventure is the one which is going to give a first-hand, practical exploration for the students in the organization. The main purpose of organizing this exhibition is to give them a kind of creativity for them. Explore them. Team events, building up the team event. You just saw the event which are going on the sports field, which are the team also and individual also. So this makes them a practical children rather than the theory. So that is the purpose that we organize this exhibition. BS International Schools ಒಂದು philosophy ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಮಗು should have a complete holistic development. The child should be ready to face any kind of challenges, be it career or be it their life challenges. So that is the main philosophy of the school. So that is the reason why we have created a wonderful platform for every student to showcase what their unique talent is. because every student requires a space to learn and exhibit the same. Then only the confidence is going to be created. Because we have our own curriculum called 4C curriculum in primary, and high school wise integrated career and character building program for high school point of view. So all these all these programs says, create the confidence in the student through the conceptual knowledge what he is going to acquire, and automatically the creativity would develop, and hence every child is going to be a gifted child, and definitely they are going to make a mark in their life.
ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಿಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾನೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ನ ನಾವು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಏನಿದೆ ಕೆಟಗರಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದೇನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವೇರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವಿಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವೇ, ವೇರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ there is an opportunity. So for all the credit goes to this BS International School faculties and the owners of this institute. So here not only that education we can say it is a 50% education and 50% skill. They are giving so much of importance. Morning I saw that, so there are so many people in various skills like gaming or instrumentals and music and all. So such a wonderful institute. I am feeling proud of this institute. I am feeling very happy about every step whatever these people are taking. So ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶಾಲೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಬಹಳ ಆನಂದನೂ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೀತಿಯೂ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
Yeah, first of all, I want to thank the school admin people, teachers, students, and they are doing a very good job. Especially though, I just went to that primary section and that Montessori section. The ambience is really good. The kids are pleasantly they are sitting and they are explaining. Yesterday the Max Expo and all the Montessori kids were did know that. I was really impressed because I was a Max teacher. Still I'm a Max teacher. The kids are very so intelligent, and this is the only school they are explaining things in scientifically. They are telling about every value. What is the value things? We had to obey the parents. Even one classroom I went and then I said good morning. The people said namaste. Really so happy to see the kids with saying namaste with the hands. Generally they are just wishing us good morning, good afternoon, better than saying namaste. I'm really so happy to see them. And then their creatures and all very good. The teachers were really working hard. I'm very thankful to this opportunity to Mildet ma'am and the school admin people and Manisha ma'am. She's very supporting, and I wish you all the best to all the kiddos. Till I was the existing teacher here, I was very happy to cut the ribbon of my classroom, again the same classroom, my students, and I have seen my ex-students here. They went to other school, other institution. They are now grown up, but still they are coming back to see their institute, how it's going on. I'm really thankful to everything.
Myself Manisha. My field is totally different. I'm a social worker. At the same time, I'm a cyber safety professional. I'm a CCIO, a cybercrime intervention officer, and a cyber psychology professional. So for me, again, it was a very different thing, but I enjoyed because some stalls were very much related to me. There was a traffic related stall, there was a fire station, there was law and order station also, banking was there, and little angels were expressing their feeling so beautifully. When we were going, they were greeting so nicely, and everyone was having the knowledge of their stall. And when we went to the higher classes, I was missing each and every stall because I was not able to visit everything, and that I'm feeling really bad that I want to go back and I want to go and visit each and every stall. Actually, everyone did very hard work and very much impressive, and they were excited to show. That was a very big thing. When we go to the stall, they get up and they're showing. That was very much important. And hats off to the parents, teachers, preferably teachers, because the teachers have worked hard. I don't know from how many days actually.
and a wonderful function it was from the morning, and we didn't feel 1 minute also boring. So from starting to ending it was lovely, excitement was maintained. Yeah, this was my experience today, and I think yeah, next 2 days everyone will experience the same. Thank